Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, or good evening, or good day, whatever you are. You see, I'm just at the farm, trying to, pluck some corns. Look at, so this is it's a maize farm. Yeah, you see, just try what look at what I'm trying to do. How to pluck it. Because we need to pluck it ourselves so that we take it to the owner, and they have to wait. So that's what we're doing now. Yeah, that is exactly what we're doing. So this is a corn farm. It's a maize, a very big, it's a very large farm. Look at, a very, very large farm. That's where we are now. Oh my God! Never knew that they have such a big farm in this place, but that is the place I am. You can just see, look everywhere. So what I'm doing, just selecting. See the one that is. This one looks to be. This one seems to be very small. Small. No, I don't want that one. Don't want that one. So let me just turn this video. This corn is very big. Look at this one. It's a very big one, indeed. This one. This is good. Look at, very big. Look. It's not na mai da wose na mai da wose okerebe afian ni o ka no wo a wa afian pere ma ya afian ka ni yegene de ai wa u ge do kaka ne he we o wa wo o mai kaka o mai wo ni na we ni na ye be na no mo yido o na mai kaka do mai se ni na mai da wo kaka ya wo ni bo ni wa kekere Nagia, na wajina, nagia na. If you kire, I worry, and then I want to feel away to do for Cadoma, with an amare. I so one, I bolavio, you will fish. Come on, Boca. This is maize farm. The Matthew Boca, all kind of here working. Eu kana ya wakina hije me idi emi no awari emi idi upo ido fun ka iyo ni ro wa atana ifiane ga ikoba ni me fiane go na ikoba na wa o na fun na ni ka le fian bebe ne si ikoba fun adi wa re ayugbo ajuwa awa bi ogbo brother abi ogbo my sister why you were when I wa ri wa o wa me ila hibe ga wu na ga ri wa ri no me you gbo me makubo anyway ekemana boloka na kina o marene ima boloka na ima ba boloka na ije awa boloka na awa boloka ay iria mi wana wada gai ay awa boloka iria mi no ije I tell you oka ima ba boloka ma o ya bole de ma ya we kakabo amapo ni amapo bere na ye ma de po ato amapo ye wa gwa lo no wa fresh na e ba ni amurie ya emu ni amurie store Bexley village ma je vais London Bexley village e wa te Kent Bexley village e ma je vais Kent wani ma wa je na Bexley village wani ma wa je na ugbona re e ne kede Bexley village e ma je vais Kent England very close to London we have it gbọ́ kàwá náà. Ẹ gbogbo màjẹ̀ náà kí n má wá rí ọ̀dọ̀ ó gbọ́ wà náà kí náà kẹ́ ọkọ̀ kàwá náà. Ẹ má dẹ́ kẹ́. Ó wà náà ó gbọ́ wà náà ó gbọ́ mà wáyé náà. Ó gbọ́ mà wáyé náà ó gbọ́ ká. Èyí gbọ́ èdè wa gẹ́gẹ́ nìyà. Kí n má wá rí ọ̀dọ̀ rí wa náà. Iye ọtí mẹ́mẹ́ ládìyàn yẹ wá yóò wọ́ ká yẹ wá yẹ yẹ. Ọtí mẹ́mẹ́ gbàdọ̀ lọ yẹ má yẹ ládìyàn ó gbọ́ ká yẹ wá yẹ yẹ. Oye! Màlájà náà o. Màlájà náà ó gbọ́ ká màlájà náà Adama ìjẹ́ náà. Ọjọ́ bẹ̀kẹ̀ náà pálí gáì. All is well. All is well.